It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 29th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Unsettled weather will continue across the area for the rest of the day today, but then the clouds will roll out and we'll start a warming trend tomorrow and continue that into the weekend. Do we have any more opportunities for precipitation, or are we about to set into that dry season where we don't see any rain until the monsoon? Well, let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 83 degrees was the afternoon high. That low temperature of 65 that occurred at 11:59 p.m. We did pick up 0.02 of an inch of rain yesterday, and we've had a little bit more than that since midnight at the airport. And some of you have picked up some heavier totals along with a little bit of small hail in some stronger storms. Looking outside right now at 11:05 a.m., scattered clouds. Michelle will like that. A lot of cumulus, those fluffy clouds going on. And we're sitting at 63 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 43, relative humidity 48%, the wind from the west at 15 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows this fairly potent trough continuing to move through the western states, the core of that low moving across Arizona. And with that, we will continue to see those unsettled conditions for the rest of the day today. Scattered showers, some isolated thunderstorms are possible. The watch warning map, still some winter weather conditions possible over the rim country today. East of us, that's where all the action is. Red flag warnings from Texas up through Kansas. A number of wind advisories from the southern plains into the southeast U.S. as this system continues to move east. And we are concerned about the possibility of severe weather. This is the convective outlook for today. There's the standard slight risk from around Waco, Texas up to Des Moines, Iowa. And here in Arizona, we're in the green. We could see some thunder. And again, it is possible to see some gusty winds and some small hail, but we're not expecting anything severe. This is the day 2 outlook, and this is tomorrow. We've got the moderate risk. That's level 4 out of 5 to include places like Monroe and Baton Rouge, Louisiana, eastward toward Jackson and Hattiesburg, Mississippi, as well as Tuscaloosa, Alabama. The enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 for many of the adjacent areas. And looking at the probabilistic outlook, this is for tornadoes tomorrow. And you got that 15% chance there, again, in that moderate risk area. And then the 10% circle surrounding that. And the crossed hatch means the possibility of a few significant tornadoes. Those are EF2 or higher. And while we are certainly concerned about a few significant tornadoes, violent tornadoes, the main threat will be a squall line and a damaging wind event. Look at this. This is the probability of seeing wind damage within 25 miles of a given point. You got the 45% chance for parts of eastern Louisiana, Mississippi, and western Alabama. So again, that could, and the crosshatch means that you could see significant wind damage as a result of this. We could have a few storms that produce upwards of 70 to 80 mile per hour winds tomorrow as this system that's affecting us now continues to race eastward. All right, here's a look at precipitation valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, a few hundredths up to about 0.2 of an inch. I think we've seen most of the precipitation we're going to get, but another round of scattered showers and storms possible this afternoon. We'll detail that right now as we get to the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The cold core of that system will continue to slide through the southwest and on to the east today as it does down at the surface. Yes, partly to mostly cloudy sky, scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms will still be possible for the rest of the day today. The heaviest storms could produce some brief heavy rain, gusty winds, maybe some small hail, so be aware of that. And then that threat will rapidly diminish by this evening, and high temperatures this afternoon, we'll say anywhere from about 66 to 70. We're not going to get a whole lot warmer than what we are right now. Tonight, the sky is becoming mostly clear, overnight lows, mid-40s to low 50s, and then tomorrow, sunny and warmer, high temperatures mid to upper 70s. On Thursday, some passing high clouds, highs upper 70s to low 80s, and a system passes to the north and clips across the region, but we will stay dry with highs generally in the low to mid 80s for Friday. And Saturday, same thing pretty much on Sunday, high temperatures somewhere in the mid 80s. This is Monday, and some of our models are keying in on another storm system passing by, with most of the dynamic support staying to the north and moving across the Four Corners. But a cold front could sweep across Arizona at that time, bringing a very small chance of a shower here. We'll put a 10% chance of rain in for Monday. High temperatures fall back toward the upper 70s and low 80s. Then a week from today, Tuesday, the 5th of April, and that looks dry with troughing to the north of us, a northwest flow aloft here. Then as we look out 10 days, this is Thursday, the 7th of April, and a big ridge building in across the west now. And if that's right, temperatures warming up dramatically, we would likely be back up into the 90s. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 12th of April, coming off of the GFS ensemble, the mean around a quarter of an inch. But I don't think we're going to get a whole lot more for the rest of the day today. And looking at temperatures off the national blend of models, here comes the warm up. And as we get out there toward about 10 days, highs getting up into the 90s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Music fans, I encourage you to check out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music. We have a lot of fun with that. Myself and the one and only Michelle are involved in the operation of that, so do check it out. I know you will, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. Thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there today and have yourselves a beautiful Tuesday.